Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to get a streak pet on TikTok in Android. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. Before you proceed, double-check that you're logged into the correct Google account. This is important for downloading and updating apps. Step 2. Once you're in the Play Store, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on it to open the search menu so you can find TikTok. Step 3. Now, type TikTok in the search bar and select the official app from the results. Before moving forward, make sure you update to the latest version of TikTok if there's an available update. Step 4. After updating, go back to your home screen and open the TikTok app. We're getting closer to enabling the Streak Pet feature. Step 5. Inside TikTok, look for your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your profile menu. Step 6. Now, locate the 3 horizontal lines at the top right side of your screen. This is the Settings menu. Tap on it to proceed. Step 7. From the drop-down menu, find and select Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll control your app preferences. Step 8. Next, scroll and tap on Notifications. Make sure TikTok notifications are enabled on your phone. This is crucial for the Streak Pet feature to work. Step 9. Inside the Notifications menu, scroll down until you see the Streak option. Right now it's probably disabled. Just tap on it to turn it on, and congratulations! You've successfully enabled your Streak Pet on TikTok for Android. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.